Hi there, Circle Squad leaders. It's Pastor Lacey, and today in our demonstration, I'm going to show you how to go in and take attendance in preparation for your first life group. So let's get started by going to the mobile tools site. As you might remember from our training, mobile tools is the area in which you can take attendance and also just send communication to your group, as well as add any members to your group that do not sign up through the website. You can do that here. So I am on the home page of mobile tools, so I'm going to go to my group manager now. All right, scrolling down, I'm going to go ahead and utilize my personal life group that I'm leading to demonstrate how to take attendance. So under the group manager, I found my group, clicked on it, and this is what I see. As you can see in the main pane, you will be able to see all of your group details, including the day and time of your group, as well as how large your group currently is. Now, keep an eye on that current size area that I'm highlighting on the screen. That is the current size of your roster. Now, if you have some pending inquiries and have not yet added them, they will not show up in this right pane until you add them through my groups. So if you have a question about adding new members to your group, please check out our previous video on my groups. All right, let's go and after we've seen our group members and checked out our roster, let's just say that it's my life group time, it's time for my group, and it's time to take attendance. So how do I do that? Great question. Let's just click on record and view attendance. So from there, you will see a drop down, which will show you your current week's attendance record. Now I'm going to ask that you not create a new record. That will throw off our reporting. We've actually pre-loaded all of our weeks for attendance for your group. And as each week progresses, you will see all of the previous week's attendance records here in this drop-down menu. So now we're in week 1. So let me just go ahead and click week 1. Now, once week 1 loads, you will see everyone who's added to your roster is, in fact, there's an option to add them for attendance purposes. Since I haven't yet had my group, I'm going to go ahead and mark myself and my co-leader, Savannah, as attended just for recording and for demonstration purposes. Once you've selected the people who are present in your meeting, click Save and Update. Once you take attendance, you should receive a pop-up indicating your group attendance has been updated. Now, for some reason, if you've taken attendance and someone comes later on and you want to update your attendance, very easy to do so. Just click on the person who was not there when you originally took the attendance and add them and click update. So once I've updated that, I'm going to go back to group. All right, and our attendance has successfully been taken. Now, I want to also go ahead and show you, since I'm in mobile tools, how to add a new person. Now, let's just say there was a person who expressed interest to you in joining your group. However, they did not go through the website. Perhaps you personally invited this person. They might not go to Relentless Church, or maybe they were unable to navigate the website. So if that is the case, I would definitely suggest you add them here. Now, just to make you aware, once you add someone through mobile tools, you will not be able to assign them the role of group member / life groups. So at that point, you would need to go back into my groups to assign them the proper role. If for any reason you're having a hard time doing that, please reach out to your coach, your group coach, and they can walk you through these steps. Now, you can just enter the first and last name, including email address and mobile phone number of your new life group member if they come and cannot navigate our website, and then just click person, and you will be able to add them. Now, please notice that the first, last, and email address fields are required. However, it's a great idea to go ahead and add that mobile phone number, because as I will show you in just a second, you can send texts out through this system. So next, I'm going to show you how to send an email or a group text to one of your group members. So first, let's do email. You have an option through mobile tools to choose specific group members or send an email out to all group members. Now, I do want to make you aware that there are some format restrictions with this platform. So you can definitely use this platform to contact your group members. However, just be aware that you will need to just be very specific when you're typing in who it is from. We are actually utilizing a generic email set up by the church for this specific platform. There's not a way to change it. However, because it's going to be coming from a generic email, some people this email may get stuck in spam. So I just want to make you aware that some people's email carriers may flag this email. So it's always great to communicate 2 different ways to let people know that you're reaching out to them. So you can just type your message in the field. You can even upload a fun picture of you and your leader, your co-leader and leader duo. I'm going to just pop the Relentless Circle logo in this email just for kicks and giggles, and send myself a test email. Now, additionally, one more thing to consider here, because this email is coming from a generic email address, I would like to recommend that everyone create a signature card for yourself as you're sending out your emails. And what is a signature card, you might be wondering? Well, if you say blessings, let's just put blessings. Pastor Lacey Ruff, Young Women of Purpose Life Group. That is what a signature card is. You can include your email address as well as your phone number, just so that people can reach out to you. The great thing about this platform, although it is being sent from a generic email, if they respond to the email that you send through this platform, it will go directly to you. So even though it's not coming from your email address, they are able to respond to the email you sent out, and it will come directly to you. Just a fun little feature. So I'm going to go back to our group roster, the home page of our group, and show you one more feature before we finish with this video. Okay, lastly, I want to show you how to send a text. This text feature is super easy. However, again, with any technology, there are limitations. As you can see, a few people in my roster are grayed out. Now, I know I mentioned before that we do not require mobile numbers. However, again, if you want to send a text, you're going to have to input the mobile numbers for all of your group members. So my recommendation is to go ahead and get as much information as possible from your group members when you're adding them to your roster. There's a character limit, similar to Twitter. Go ahead, you would just type in your whatever message you'd like to send to your group, and also realize that this is one-way communication. Again, there is a number assigned to this account so that we have the capability of texting. However, if someone texts back to that number, they will get an error message saying that this is not a working number. So my recommendation is to put a very generic message in your text and say something like, I can't wait for groups this week. Please let me know if you have trouble finding our location. And again, with the email, put a signature card and then put your number, 864-770-1755. That way that they know that they should call you. I'll change that to please call me if you have any trouble finding our location. My cell is that, and then I put my signature card. So again, that is definitely a great tool to use for one-way communication. However, if you would like to do two-way communication and say, let's just say you would like for your group members to interact with one another, I would definitely recommend a few group messaging tools such as WhatsApp. I will also recommend Facebook Messenger, as well as an app called GroupMe. Those are 3 different platforms that really help people stay connected to one another. Additionally, you might consider creating a Facebook group, a closed Facebook group for your life group. So that is a quick rundown of mobile tools. Today in the video, I showed you how to take attendance. I showed you how to add group members. I also showed you how to email and text through the mobile tools platform. If you have any questions concerning how to utilize mobile tools, how to manage your group and or take attendance, please reach out to your group coach or a leadership team member. We are here to support you and help you utilize these tools to the best of your abilities to manage your group with ease. You can also reach out to myself in the Life Group offices at 864-770-1755 or email lifegroups@ourrelentlesschurch.com. We've actually also gotten a new generic email for our ministry, and you can also reach us at thecircle@ourrelentlesschurch.com. Please be on the lookout for more tutorials and more leader resources coming very soon. Thank you and have a wonderful day.